Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I'll be talking about dental core training programs, DCTs. This is the eligibility criteria which you can check, and this program can be taken by the people who are even not registered with GTC. There are few posts which are for them. So, I think those preparing for ORE can sit for this exam and gain some experience in the UK. So, let's talk about this. Why to sit for DCT? As discussed in the previous video, I have told you that DCT 1, 2, and 3 can be taken, okay? But why to sit for it? After doing DCT, you will come to know how to work in a big team with experts and consultants, many of whom are well known nationally as well as internationally. You will come to know about how to manage the patients which are sent from the primary care and then how to specialize in a certain area. You can focus on a particular area. So in DCT, you are posted in one particular area. You are not seeing all the aspects of the dentistry. You are focusing on one particular subject and you are treating the patients there. And then you can start. This is the pre-steps, like the baby steps to start for your journey to become a consultant if you want. After DCT2, you can apply for the specialty training from which you can take further to other higher levels and become a consultant in that field. Moreover, DCT can be used to use all the skills, all the things that you have learned in your dental schools. Okay. And you can also learn the difficult procedures, something which you are fearing of in dentistry. Maybe that may be tooth extraction, that may be root canals, that may be anything in the different fields. So you can learn all those new skills what you are fearing for. So in this way, DCT is it's a beautiful time to learn all the things. There's a very steep learning curve in DCT. What else does this post offer? It offers a great opportunity to study for the membership exams like MFTS, okay? And it helps you to build a CV that helps for your future career growth. All right. And further, it can help you choose your career path, whether you want to move into that particular, you're liking, you're enjoying working into that particular stream of dentistry and you want to specialize into that. So these are few things which you can learn, or you can feel, or you can decide how your future will be. So this is that time. Let's look at the recruitment process for DCT. Okay, my this flowchart is not very visible, I think. So you have to choose your DCT level. Okay, whether you are going into DCT 1, 2, or 3, that will depend on the eligibility criteria. Okay, check for your eligibility. Okay, you will you can find the eligibility criteria on the Oriel website. Okay, and you should check it from there whether you are meeting all those requirements. Just one application you have to submit, and application portal is Oriel, as you all know, I have told so many times, and you are also aware of that. So that is the portal where you have to fill the application form. No separate DCT application forms are sent to various institutes, so this is the only place where you need to go. Okay, and after doing your eligibility, and if you were eligible for that, okay, then you have to sit for your SGTs. Book your SGT exams, complete your SGT exams, and then if you are shortlisted on the basis of the SGT score, you will be called for an interview. Okay, the invites will be sent. You will go for an interview. All right, and at the same time, when you are given the interview, when you are selected for it, at the same time you will be sent the list. You will have to rank your preferences, the places where you want to work. You will have to rank it. That can depend on so many things. If you are in the UK, like it may be near the place where you're doing, or it may depend on which specialization are you interested in, with which institute is offering it. So depending on your own personal preference, you can rank the hospitals or the places where you want to do the DCT. Okay, Then there is once all that is done, okay, your references are the your once you have ranked your preferences and given the interview, then on the basis of that you will be sent the first allocation thing, ranking allocation for for the first time, okay, the first round, and you will be given a deadline to accept the post or to decline it. And then there will be the second one where you will be sent the preferences. Depending on your preferences, you may be called for, if you haven't accepted the post, you may like change the post or not. Once that is done, then there is final acceptance. There will be a final date where you when you have to accept it, and this is how. And finally the post commences in 2025. This year it's commencing on 3rd of September, okay. So I'll explain the timeline in next few seconds. Let's talk about DCT recruitment 2025 timeline. So the post for the DCT 2025 will be advertised on Oriel on 7th of January. The applications will open from 9th of January to 30th of January. So you have a whole almost a whole month, these 21 days to fill the application and submit it. Then on 14th of February, SGT invitations will be sent to you. All right. Then from 20th of February till 26th Feb, the window will be open for SGT booking. You can book for your SGT exams. SGT assessment will be done from 12th to 19th of March. Okay. Then on 3rd of based on the score of this SGT assessments, you will be called for the interviews. Invites they will be sent on 3rd of April. Okay. Interview booking window will open from 4th to 8th of April 2025. Once you have booked the interviews, the confirmation will be sent on 10th of April. Okay. Same day, the preferences ranking will open and you can fill the places where you want to work. If you, as per your preferences, you will rank them. Okay. That can depend on various factors like the places where you live nearby, or the particular place where you want to work, where you have been like you are passionate to work, the uh, the subject that you want to study, the maybe your consultant or dream mentor where he's working or she is working. So depending on all various preferences, you can rank your list here. You can give the list here. Okay. Then on 28th April to 2nd of May, the virtual interviews will open. So you will be interviewed virtually there. Then on 16th of May, the preference ranking closes, okay, which was open on 10th April, it will close on 16th of May. On 22nd May, the first offers will be released, depending on your clinical score and depending on the preferences that you have given. So first offers, they will be released. You can accept it or you can hold it or you can wait for changing it, okay. By 27th of May, the second round of offers will be released, and that will be the last day to hold the holding deadline. And on 27th May, again, the feedback to the applicants will be provided. On 30th May, upgrade the deadlines, okay? And 20th August, the final offers will be released on 20th August. And finally, the post commences on 3rd of September. This is how the planning for DCT recruitment in 2025 is given. So thank you for watching the video. If you find it helpful, please share it with your friends. Give me thumbs up, show me some appreciation. It really keeps me motivated. Subscribe to the channel so that you can be made aware whenever I post the new videos on this subject. Feel free to leave any comments in the comment box about the topics that you want me to discuss. Thank you. Good luck, guys.